Hello, I'd like to introduce the Craterpot plant pot system, a patented leap forward in sustainable container gardening. Craterpot isn't just a redesign, it's a reinvention of what a plant container can be. While conventional pots haven't changed in thousands of years, still just buckets with holes in the bottom, Craterpot overcomes their core limitations through three key innovations. 1. Root separation. Our design prevents root binding by guiding roots outward and downward into individual partitions. This natural separation supports healthy root architecture, greatly enhancing rhizological health, plant longevity, and productive capacity. 2. Moisture buffering. Craterpot features an active moisture buffering zone that keeps the internal environment fresh and oxygenated, eliminating the stagnation that leads to root rot. This design enables the pot to retain an internal water supply, effectively turning it into a self-watering system. It also provides both wet and dry zones in the same container, accommodating a much broader variety of plant species, including those that struggle in fully draining pots. 3. Optimized root interface, ORI for short. Our proprietary ORI structure expands root surface area for greater oxygen exchange and nutrient uptake as the plant grows, creating a responsive root zone that extends healthy growth and significantly improves potted longevity. And all of this is delivered in a one-piece, cost-efficient product, fully comparable to a standard plant container. Together, these features make Craterpot ideal not just for conventional plants, but for species long thought incompatible with container growing. Here's just one example. In controlled trials, we propagated water-loving species like weeping willow from cuttings. In regular pots, every cutting failed. In Craterpots, every cutting survived and thrived. This is just one of many species that conventional pots exclude, not by intent, but by design. Craterpot changes that. By expanding what's possible, it opens the door to greater biodiversity, native species propagation, and entire new markets for horticulture. And it doesn't stop there. Craterpot systems are more sustainable, more resource efficient, and more labor-saving, meaning lower inputs, higher success rates, and better outcomes for growers, communities, and businesses alike. That includes underprivileged regions, where the need is great and where we intend to make a difference. We've broken a 10,000-year cycle, delivering the first major upgrade to the plant pot, designed from the roots up, with the plant in mind. Craterpot doesn't just improve on the old standard. It has the potential to replace it.